Hello everyone. Hi. So this is Arpita and this is my first YouTube video that I am still thinking if I should upload or not, but probably I will. And since I wanted to stay very unfiltered in this YouTube channel, so this is going to be a very bad rant because I just want to rant. So let me carry on with the rant. So very recently, I used this product from Wellness Shop, and it is the face wax powder. So I have no idea how many of you have been really in favor of these products, and probably you have also faced the similar situations the way I have faced. So I recently used this product from Wellness Shop, as I've already said. I went through a lot of videos on YouTube and Instagram, and I did see a lot of positive comments on them. So I was like, why not? I give it a shot as well. Just like another random stupid idea that I have always run into. So probably this was another one. And this fellow went ahead and ordered this product, the face wax powder wellness shop, from an online marketing store or an online store. I am not going to edit this video, so bear with me and just listen to all the rants, okay? So I've used this, and the experience was really nice when I tried it on when I did my patch test. So, I was very happy that I do not have to use razors and all. And being a person who has dealt with PCOD, and you know what are the consequences with PCOD, you have body hair, you have all sorts of hormonal imbalance, and that is why you suffer a lot with your appearance. Probably some of us, we gain weight and we have our own body hairs, and those kind of, help the insecurity inside to fasten up, or they just they just make you insecure a little. So am I. And then I go ahead, I order this product, I do my patch test, and after doing the patch test I was very confident, oh yeah, this is gonna work, and I finally did not have to use any other wax strips or razors or anything, and then yeah, this is gonna work. So I ordered this product, and then I was like, after doing my patch test, I went ahead to put it on my face. So I watched tutorial on how to apply it, and I did. So I applied it all over my face. I did not, of course, go to till the forehead because I was a little scared with my eye area. So I was like, fine, let me do it. And after doing it, everything was pretty normal. No itching, no irritation, nothing. Yeah, a few areas I did feel a little bit of a burning sensation, but there was nothing else apart from that. And I did read a few articles where it said that you might have a little tingling sensation if you have coarse hair. So since I did have coarse hair, I did get tingling sensations, and I was like, okay, so probably this is the only thing that I'm gonna feel. So I keep the mask for 20-25 minutes, and then I remove it. And once I washed it away, I did see a lot of lesser hair on my face, and I was like, yay, this is working. And then when my face calmed down a little, I did realize that I have patches, red patches over here. This area of mine and this area had red patches. So by default, I used a little bit of ice to calm my skin down, and then I started using aloe vera gel. It did calm to a certain extent until few hours later, I see my skin rupture. So I had a skin tear, and this part of my moustache area and this part, I'll probably put a picture here of what it looked like. I just lost skin. And you know how painful it was because, and I am somebody, I was insecure, and which is why I tried the product. And I started regretting so bad because I did not know if it's gonna work or it's not gonna work. If you can still see, it hasn't healed yet. This is still there. I don't know if it is still visible, but if you can see, it's still there. I still have a discoloration over here and here. And it's just so bad because you expect a product to work on your face and then it doesn't, and it just gives you some hope and you just lose it. So, the whole purpose of this video is A, the way you are is the best version of yourself. You might also be a PCOD sufferer, I would say, like me. Trust me, girl, if you are not using any kind of chemicals in your face. You are perfect. You do not need anything to mend your face or your fat. Of course, if it's something like diet, exercise, and lots of water and anything that's natural, go ahead with it. And if it is something that you're planning to do with chemicals, it's a humble request from a nobody. Please do not, because I have suffered my own thing. It's been a week and I'm still suffering with it. I do not know if it's gonna have a permanent scar in my face, and I have always been somebody who was very protective about the face. I hated blemishes in my face, I hated pimples in my face, and here I am with the scar. So I suffered. It doesn't mean that you suffer as well. So it's a warning. Do not use any kind of products in your face. Do not. It's okay. You just have facial hair, right? Let it just be. People are going to say something, people are going to make fun of you, let them do it. Because if you fall in that trap the way I did, you're going to suffer. So, no. And I do not know if there are honest reviews in YouTube or anywhere. This is a personal suggestion from somebody who's very new to YouTube, and with her first video, a genuine, honest complaint that wax powders, if they do not suit your skin, they're gonna be terrible to your face. So please do not use it, and this is an honest review from Apita. And if you like the video or the rant that I have, probably you're gonna have to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment so that I can improve further or make proper videos as per your suggestion. So thank you everyone for watching. Bye bye.